Hello everyone. Today we are making spicy chicken fry recipe. Let's get started by pampering 500 grams of your preferred chicken, whether it is boneless or with bones, in a marinade of salt, turmeric, and chili powder. Let it soak in this flavorful bath for a tantalizing 20 minutes. Now on the stove top, heat up a generous 10 ml of oil in a pan, infusing it with the aromatic 4 red chilies, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, half inch cinnamon stick. Salt until the flavors fills the air. Then introduce a finely chopped onion to the mix, giving it a 1 minute saute. Now add ginger garlic paste. Try to make it freshly. Fry until it sheds its raw edge. Elevate the dish with the addition of 3 to 4 green chilies, a handful of curry leaves, and stir to enhance the aromatic flavors. And for an extra layer of freshness, add or sprinkle some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Keep stirring until this was cooked to 70%. As a final touch, add 1 spoon of chili powder and coriander powder. Keeping it simple ensures an authentic experience. Allow the flavors to indulge well into the chicken pieces. As the mixture cooks thoroughly, include or garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Switch off the flame and serve your dish. This is very simple and easy to make recipe without much masala spices. This recipe can be used as a starter or appetizer, or as a perfect companion to rice, roti, or naan. Give the recipe a try at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.